Hey, I'm Cameron, one of the technical experts at Zep. And if you haven't found the right solution to keep your shop floors clean and safe, we can help. Hey Tommy, how's it going?
All right, how you?
Doing well.
Good.
So tell me, what is it that you guys do here?
Maintain the buses to service the metro area of Atlanta. We do transmissions, engines. It's getting pretty grimy. A lot of dirt, a lot of spills. And we try to keep them moving so we can keep the people moving in Atlanta.
What were the issues that you were running into before you got you the Zep product?
One of the main issues is how much to use. We had to mop it once, then go back, mop it twice.
Right.
We had to redo the work, so it made it harder, and we're using more product.
So now that you've switched over, what's that process look like?
One-time use is cleaning the floors.
Well, I bet that saves a lot of time.
It's saving time and it's saving money.
So why did you choose Zep out of all the cleaning companies out there?
I know Zep makes a good product. I used Zep before, persuaded the company to try Zep. Like I said, we can get those spills quicker, so we can be more productive, get back to work. Also, the cleaning products, that way we have a safe environment to walk around. We don't have to worry about slipping. We tried other choices, and this one works the best. A clean floor is a safe floor.
Absolutely.
Contact your sales consultant or visit Zep.com.